Hi guys, my name is Harry, for those who doesn't know me. I decide to make videos that will help you start your own business. For those who are beginners and want to start a business, this videos will be for you. I'm going to start right from the beginning. Open your Gmail account. Step by step I'm going to go through, and I'm going to show you how you can start your online business. Now guys, there's two ways. There's the easy way and there's the hard way. The easy way is where you invest into your business. You're buying software to promote your products. You go to pay-per-click. There's a lot of stuff, but I'm going to go through with both ways to help you start your online business. The hard way is you don't pay for anything. It's absolutely free. But guys, it's hard. I will show you. For people to find your product isn't easy. To promote your product isn't easy. But okay, there is ways. My way I started was also the hard way. Until I made some money, and then I start investing to the business. Okay, so let's dig in, and I can show you how we're going to start your online business. Remember, down on the bottom of this video, there's links. If you want to take the easy way, I'm going to get a small commission if you use my link. And guys, remember to subscribe. There's going to be a couple of videos. And click the bell that you can be notified when the next video is coming. So let's dig in. Okay, we in Google, and in Google we going to Gmail. Okay guys, here by Gmail, create an account. Myself, to manage your business. Let's go to manage your business. You can open the other one as well, it doesn't matter. So let's fill in the details. Your name, your last name. It will give you an email, or you can add one and see if it is available. Your password, confirm your password. And here on the bottom you can select the country where you're from and just click next and follow the procedures. I already have an Gmail account, and I'm going to sign into that. So open your Gmail account, and I see you on the next page. Okay guys, after the Gmail, we go to Google and we must find products to promote. So what we're going to do, we go to ClickBank. Let's go to ClickBank, and we're going to open a ClickBank account. Right guys, we're going to sign up. Okay guys, here we're going to create our ClickBank account. Add in your country, your first name, your last name, your email address, and your password. Here you can also have a look at this
video if you want. So I already have a ClickBank account. So I'm gonna go and log into my ClickBank account, and you can create your account, and after you log into your ClickBank account, then we take it from there. Let's go to Marketplace, click on Marketplace, and this is the page where we come to. Here on my left hand side, there's a lot of where you can find products to promote. For this video purpose, let's take one product. I'm just gonna go with diet. Let's go with diet. And guys, you will see here's a lot of products. What I normally do is I go to the gravity. If I go to gravity, I take it up to from 60 to 70%, and you will see it change. So this is the gravity. If you look at the gravity, there it is. That is the gravity that the product that's been sold from people or affiliates. It's 367 affiliates who promote this on an average, and normally this is per week. So this is quite a good product that you can go through. There's 101, the next one. Yeah, but it's up to you. Let's start promoting this product. How are we going to start? We're going to click on promote. And if you click on promote, you're going to come to a page like this. To get your link, this is the link that you must supply to clients, that they click on that they come to your page and buy from your link, and that's the way you're gonna get commission. If you go here, you click on create hop link. This is your link that you're gonna use. Okay, you click on copy and write. That is the one that you gonna have and start promoting. So if we go here to affiliate page to find out some more stuff, what is this product all about? Okay, here you must fill in your name and your email address to get access to affiliate tools. So let's start doing that. Enter it, we come to this page. So guys, here you can see, this is, you can read through this stuff, create your affiliate link, here where the axis is, that's where your link is coming in. Remember, you can start also with a nickname, but okay, that's your link that you can, or you can promote that hop link, it doesn't matter. Here's the product info, but you can go through this on your left hand side, and this is all the stuff that you're going to need to promote your product. Okay, after this we're going to start promoting this product. So let's go and prepare ourselves to promote this product. Okay guys, we get all the info from the diet. So we're going to use this for our ad. And then in my next video, I'm gonna show you how to build a free website and promote this product. So okay, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe and click that bell that you can get my next video that I can show you how to create a free website. Yes, you don't need any money for that website, but if you want to invest, you can use that as well on the same website. Okay, thank you guys. See you in my next video.